Ever noticed how some men naturally draw women in without even trying, while others get ignored no matter what they do? It's not about being rich, good-looking, or lucky. It's about psychology. When you understand how attraction truly works in a woman's mind, you flip the script, and suddenly, she's the one craving your attention. Most men chase women the wrong way, texting too much, seeking validation, or trying to impress. But attraction isn't about effort, it's about emotional impact. If you can trigger the right emotions, she won't be able to stop thinking about you. Stick around, because the final technique is what separates high-value men from the ones who get ghosted. And trust me, most guys completely overlook it. 1. The power of emotional triggers. Women don't fall for logic, they fall for emotion. If you can trigger the right emotions, she'll become addicted to your presence. The key isn't trying harder, it's making her feel something powerful when she's around you. How it works: mystery creates intrigue. If she can predict everything about you, she'll get bored. Keep an element of mystery in your interactions. Unpredictability keeps her hooked. If you're always available or too predictable, she'll lose interest. Keep a balance between being present and being busy with your own life. Challenge keeps her interested. Women love a man who keeps them on their toes. When you're too easy to win over, attraction fades. But when she feels like she has to earn your attention, she values it more. Pro tip: don't reveal everything about yourself too soon. Let her work to uncover your layers. It creates anticipation and keeps her emotionally engaged. Now, let's dive into the next principle. 2. Scarcity equals high value. Women desire what they can't easily have. When you're always available, you lower your perceived value. High-value men understand that mystery and exclusivity create desire. What high-value men do? They don't chase, they attract. Instead of begging for attention, they let their energy pull people in. Action step: slow down your replies, be selective with your availability, and make her feel like winning you is an achievement. If she asks why you're unavailable, smile and say, "I've been handling important things." Next, let's explore how to trigger deep emotional bonding. 3. Psychological attraction triggers. A. The dopamine effect. Keep her emotionally invested. Why it works. Women crave emotional highs. When you make interactions fun, unpredictable, and exciting, you trigger dopamine, the same chemical that makes people addicted to thrill and excitement. How to apply it? Don't be predictable. If every conversation is the same, she'll lose interest. Mix intensity and playfulness. Create moments of deep emotional connection. Then add humor to keep things light. Now, she's curious and emotionally hooked. B. The push-pull dynamic. Keep her craving more. How to apply the push-pull technique. Give her attention, then pull away. One day, engage deeply. The next, be less available. Be affectionate, then busy. Show warmth, then focus on your purpose and let her miss you. Why it works. When a woman never fully figures you out, she stays emotionally engaged. The unpredictability triggers excitement and curiosity, making her think about you even when you're not around. Example: weak approach, always complimenting her with no challenge. High value approach: you're actually pretty fun to be around. I might have to keep you around. Light teasing keeps attraction alive. Next, let's explore the final secret that separates high-value men from the rest. 4. Confidence equals instant obsession. Women are wired to admire confidence. But there's a key difference, not arrogance, but genuine, unshakable confidence. True confidence isn't about showing off, it's about being secure in who you are. How to show confidence. Naturally. Hold strong eye contact. Don't be the first to look away. It signals dominance and self-assurance. Speak slowly and with purpose. Rushing through words shows nervousness. Take your time. Mistakes to avoid. Over-explaining yourself. A confident man lets his actions speak louder than words, seeking validation. You don't need approval to feel good about yourself. Up next, the final, most overlooked attraction trigger that keeps women completely obsessed. 5. The secret weapon, emotional safety. Beyond excitement and challenge, a woman ultimately wants a man who makes her feel safe, emotionally and physically. This is what separates a short-term attraction from deep, lasting obsession. Most men fail here because they try too hard to impress. Instead of creating a real connection, they focus on showing off. They seek validation. They base their self-worth on her approval rather than leading with confidence. What high-value men do? Instead, they listen deeply, not just hearing her words, but understanding her emotions. They show emotional strength. They don't crumble under pressure, making her feel secure. They stay non-reactive. Instead of getting emotional or defensive, they stay calm and in control. Pro tip: women test men to see if they can handle pressure. If you pass, her obsession for you skyrockets. 6. The ultimate mindset shift. Women become obsessed with men who have a mission beyond them. Be a man of purpose. Have goals and passions that drive you forward. Never make a woman the center of your world. She should complement your life, not define it. Lead with self-respect and ambition. When you focus on your path, she'll naturally want to be part of it. Conclusion: making a woman obsessed isn't about money or looks. It's about understanding psychological attraction and mastering yourself. Trigger her emotions, not just her mind. Use scarcity to increase your value. Make her crave your attention. Master confidence, presence, and purpose. Women are drawn to men who lead their own lives. Which of these techniques have you tried? Drop a comment below. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for the path of Stoic.